It's your first Christmas. What are you doing?
You could go all the way upstairs and be cool with
Are you opening a present?
Yeah.
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, she is opening it. Aww. I don't care about the present. I just took a picture. Yeah.
Ooh, say, ooh.
What is it?
Oh, where are you going? You don't want the present anymore? Look, Ashlyn, look at all these things that Santa brought you, and Grandma and Grandpa and Aunt Lauren. And there's your stocking. And there's Grandpa Terry drinking some coffee.
Here. Here. Yeah, what's that?
Oh!
It's crooked. That's one way to do it.
Ooh. Little by little.
It's going to take forever. Got a baby?
She just wants to stand on
You
it.
have to show Grandpa her standing.
I know. Yay!
Oopsie. Oopsie. Here, open your present. You have to open it. You're doing it. Open it. Grab it. Oh, you just want to stand.
Yeah.
Oh, she can stand if we open this.
Yes, that's Santa's plaything.
Yeah. Laugh and learn. What is this? I'm just gonna walk.
Ooh.
I've had enough now.
She likes to show off for the camera too, don't you?